What's poppin', what's shaking, what's baking, what's the good word, everyone? My name is Afro and today we're making the Blue Hawaiian. All right, so traditionally the Blue Hawaiian uses a light rum, coconut cream, Blue Curacao, and pineapple juice. But today we're gonna cut out the middleman and use this coconut rum instead. What that should do is it should take out back on the sweetness of the drink that comes from the cream of coconut, but still maintain the flavors that is the Blue Hawaiian. Okay, so to make the Blue Hawaiian, it's gonna be a simple 3 ingredients. We're gonna start with our coconut rum, and then we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of that. And then we're gonna follow that with some Blue Curacao. We're gonna use 3/4 ounce of that. And then we're going to finish it off with 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. We're gonna add our ice. Let me just bring over my fancy ice bucket. Then we're going to cap it. Make sure you give it a little bit of a love tap so you form a nice strong seal. We're gonna shake it. How I shake is I always put my thumb on the back of the smaller shaker and I hold the shaker with both hands. Then we're going to pull it out. And then we just need our serving glass. We're gonna pull out from here. We're gonna need some ice for the serving glass as well. We always use fresh ice for that because we don't want to use our ice that's already been warmed up. So I'm just gonna grab fresh ice. We're going to strain this drink. And then we're going to finish it off with a pineapple flat. And there you have it, the Blue Hawaiian. For future recipes, you can either follow me on Instagram at AfroMark or hit that subscription button, ring the bell, and we'll see you next time on a brand new show.